off into the Atlantic Ocean. Or as the Atlantic Ocean stared at me. Found a place, fresh air, beautiful view. I never get tired of looking at the expanse of the ocean. Just nothing but water. All the way to England. The Atlantic Ocean, all the way to England.